Hi guys, I'm Jodie Baker. I'm the owner and founder of Homepeel. I've been running it for about 17 years. It's my life's work. It's my true passion to give everybody the skincare of their dreams. I'm 49, about to turn 50 this month, and I do all my videos without any makeup, and I'm here to share skincare tips with everybody because it's just such a complicated little thing and I've got so much knowledge in my head, so I love to share it. So today I just want to quickly run through with you our Pigmentation Serum and how wonderful it is, why it works, and basically how you should use it. So I get emails every day about this. This has got 3 amazing natural lightening active ingredients in it. And it works in 2 ways. Not only does it lighten the pigmentation that you have, but it also has melanin inhibitors, which stops new melanin from being formed. So basically what that means is it's going to work in the now moment, but also stop any future problems. So it's a really great thing to put into your skincare regime ongoing, especially if you're using cosmeceutical skincare, because it means that active skincare is always having skin cell turnover, so you don't have that much of your stratum corneum, which is the upper dead layer of skin cells that kind of works as a protective mask for your skin from the UVA and the UVB rays of the sun. Sounds great, but what it does is it makes your skin look dry, leathery. It stops that beautiful glow. So cosmeceutical grade skincare is always working to remove that, but what it means is that you have to be more protected in the sun, and that sometimes when that's not happening, you might get a little bit of pigmentation. You want to make sure you're protected, so having a melanin inhibitor in your pigmentation serum is the way to do it. So I'm just going to quickly just apply it here for you to have a look, because it's absolutely stunning. So the one thing that you need to know about this pigmentation serum is that it's a bit drying. You'd never use it just on its own, because due to the nature of the ingredients, what they're meant to do, they're a little bit dry. So you always have to make sure that you're using something moisturizing with it. So for me personally, of course, I'll be using the moisturizing peptide cream. They always go together. Always, always, always. So I'll just pop a little bit of that on top, and that will set me going for the day. Like, I'm always doing something different morning times. This is my morning routine today. But I'll always sort of drop little videos up here on this channel. So keep connected to it so you can learn the little tricks that I do on a daily basis with Homepeel. So anyway, I think that's it from me. Stay tuned. We're going to be doing some pretty cool me turning 50 promos. So hopefully we'll be releasing some of those soon, but have a great day. Bye.